Hello, hello, hello. Okay, look what I got. Look what I got. So, you know, I am a paper hoarder of Graphic 45. And I definitely want to have a better storage than I already have. Because all the other boxes, let me show you. For now, I do have all my Graphic 45. Oh my gosh, I can't even open it. Oh, wait just a minute. Okay, I'm just going to use this little thing right here. So that is why I definitely want to have another method, because it's full. It's definitely full of Graphic 45 paper, and I don't want this any longer. I don't. I never get the chance to go and see them. What do I have and when I am going to use them. So I hate it. I definitely hate it. It's a good storage. They are nice, dark, and good settle down. But now I have this. So what do you think? So when you grab this out, I just want to have my first check on this. So these are the Western boxes, and I think they are pretty nice, and they even fit in the Kallax cabinet. So yeah, I am going to check that out. I have still no idea where, when they are all sorted out and filled in, where I am going to store it, because yeah, I do have some Kallax cabinets, but they are still full of all my kid supplies. So maybe I am going to do it on top that cabinet, and then after maybe I'm going to put something, or maybe I just buy another Kallax cabinet. I have no clue, but I definitely like to sort this out and put them in all these boxes. So yeah, so I have plenty that I ordered, because the many you buy, the cheaper they get. I believed even with the taxes and everything, because the Western boxes are from the UK, so I needed to pay some taxes too. But even with the taxes, they are cheaper than here, single, to be bought in Holland. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm gonna sort out my Graphic 45 stash. And maybe I even get some collections to be destashed, I don't know. But for now, let's get into it. Okay guys, first what we need to do is make a table clean. Alright, and now we're gonna fill it. Okay guys, where do I even start? I have no clue. Alright, so this is my latest one that I had. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna start where? I have no clue. Where do I start? I think I need to sort these all out with all the pieces that I have. Look at this, so nice. Small ones. Here are the tags for this one. So yeah, I am gonna sort this all out and then see if I have enough boxes. Oh my gosh, am I ever gonna use all of this? Oh, I love all this. I do have this, and I still have this. Those are not for the boxes. Oh, this is a little project from Spanish paper. That's not what we're gonna use right now. It was in the box. But yeah, let me sort all this out and see what I have. Oh, maybe I have double ones. Okay, and this is just what I wanted those boxes for, because this is a cut piece, and it lays down in a big box, and it's supposed to be with this one. So that is where I am happy to have those boxes for. So yeah, let's get started. Cool. Oh my gosh, I'm very thrilled on all to see what I all have. Oh my god, I really have too much. Love it. Never can have enough graphic 45. Okay guys, first of all I like to try out the white cabinets for my Kallax, what was first down here, and well, I added them on top here, and I was trying to see if all my 42 boxes are fitting in there, and it does. Yay, 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 it does. So how about filling all these boxes with my graphic 45 collections? I hope it all fits in there, but for now, this looks stunning. Look at that. It does look stunning. So cute. But will this all fit in here? Oh my goodness, I hope it does. Oh my gosh. I have so many. This is my pile of Halloween theme. This is my pile of Christmas theme. That is all kind of things, and I have no clue where to start it. Those are my romantic themes, and yeah, what kind of themes do you like? Animal themes, but I have no clue. I have no clue. I think the best way to do it is the Halloween to start with first, and then the Christmas, and then the romantic ones. I have no clue. No clue, but I'm just gonna start. See what fits in there, because some of the collections I really have thick ones. For example, for this one, I love this collection. Never ever I used with that. I played with this one. But yeah, there was so much in it. So I even missed one. Where was my Alice one? Thought I had an Alice one. Oh my gosh, that was my favorite one. But perhaps I did not see it quite well. Alright. But anyway, I'm gonna play with these. So cute. I have way too many. I have way too many. Even this one, guys. I have 4 of these. These ones. Why do I have 4 of these? I don't think that I will ever gonna use these. And then another one. And then another one. Alright, why 4? I have no clue. No clue. And then this one. I think I thought I had it, but I didn't. I think I ordered somewhere in the past the chipboard and the stickers, because I thought I had this collection, but I totally have not. Alright, bummer. But yeah, all kind of. And I also have many things with just a few papers in them, or leftovers, but I will put these all in one box, and then I also can use them. Alright, but same as with this one. I do have the chipboard, but I don't think that, oh, I think I sent it already to somebody, but I still have the chipboard. Alright, bummer. Anyway, I am just gonna play. Oh my gosh, happy time. When you see this, don't you get your heart bumped too many? I do love them. But maybe I do a little stash. I don't know. These stash, how you call that? Same as this gentleman thing. Love it, but I don't think that I'm gonna use it ever. Ever. Christmas. Love Christmas. This is one of my favorite ones. But I never ever, and I have all the things with it. And I also have, and this one sent somebody to me with all her leftover pieces. So I think it's a great fit in those boxes then, instead of all of this. It takes so many place. Alright guys, I'm gonna start. Whoop whoop. Okay guys, look at this. Isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I was looking for. Alright, so I added this one on the last one, because this one I don't have full of them, so I put just this one in here, so this will hold. But as you can see, I don't think that this is, yep, here is the only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones are empty. Okay guys, so I can buy 5 collections. No. And I did not add anything in it, but look at that. And I did kind of sorted it out from Christmas, Halloween, seed, animal, romantic things, steampunk kind of things. This is all what I like to keep for now. And I did have a few left out. And I think I really like some of the names from the collection besides here. But I definitely need to get some stickers to sort it out. But I will do that later. But look at that. That looks stunning. Yes, it does. Cool. Wow. This is amazing. Oh, so clean. So cool. And right in front of my nose. So, yep, this is standing here. This is right in front of my nose. So I'm not put this on the ground or anything. Why? Why should I put this on the ground? No. Wow. So I'm going to show you the few collections that I want to get rid of. And that is... Alright, so I had 4 of these. No idea why. I think I got it somewhere. But I have 2 of these left fully. And these are the calendar collections. The 1 monthly, April, all of these. I love these, especially these are so cute to make cards. I love these, but I kept 2. So these 2 I want to get rid of. So if you are interested, send me an email. Then I have this one. This is the artisan style. I'm not going to use it. I do have it quite some time in my stash. There is some chipboard with it. And I think a full pack, but I never used it, so I assume it's totally new. So the artisan style, so with the chipboard and this is an old collection, so there are 24 sheets in here. So that is the one that I want to get rid of. Well, this one I also had double, so all the new pieces I kept out. So there is a 12 by 12 24 sheets. There is an 8 by 8 24 sheets. There is a card set and there is a chipboard piece. So that is this set. Completely new, never been used, so everything is full intact. And this is the... Oh my gosh, how do you call this one? Yeah, that's a good one. It's definitely a Halloween one. Let me grab... Can't read it. Can't read it. Oh, there's two chipboard pieces. Oh, the where did it these? See, I even can't pronounce the name of it. But that is a full one, so that is also available if you like it. Then I have 2 packs of this one, of the tropical travelogue one. It's also an older one, so both of them are 24 sheets. So if you are interested in one of these or 2 of these, send me an email, because I don't think that I ever gonna use this. But it's still super gorgeous, but it's not my thing. So I never think why in the world that I bought it, but yep, I did. And then this collection I love, and it's the fairy dust. But I had so many double things, so I think when I was making that project with the box, I think it was from Country Craft Creations, that I bought some extra to be sure that I had enough. But as you can see, I have the solid paper collection. I have the 12 by 12 paper collection with the sticker sheet, so that means that there are 16 pages inside. Then I have a tin pocket sheet, the card sheet, and there are 2 of these, 2 of the 8 by 8 ones. So this is the fairy dust. I really love this collection, but the one that I used I just kept for another project. I still had enough, but this I don't use. I had 3 of these sets, guys. Okay, so don't need them. So yep, this is available too. It's a nice big set, so send me an email if you like this. The email is, by the way, to be found down below the description box and under every video. All the contact links are below the description box. Alright, so give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope you get an idea on a great way to storage your paper collection. And yeah, I really love this one, and yeah, I really love it. I want to say it's not that cheap, but also when you go to Western boxes themselves, especially when you are in Europe, the taxes, the douane costs are not that much. So I think I paid €350 for each one of the Western boxes. So I really like to give my papers the best spot ever. So it's worth it. I think it's really worth it. So they are. Yeah, I really like it, so I can keep them for years. Of course, I get used to. I'm gonna use them, of course, once in a lifetime. But I still have them. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.